This is a Toshiba toaster oven, and it is a beauty. This actually is a really good looking toaster oven. Very modern, very sleek, very state-of-the-art. It looks nice. This is what it looks like with all three of the racks in it. That's the basket we're going to use in a second. There's the tray. And of course there's the grill. And you've also got this crumb tray on the bottom. This will give you a pretty good idea of how big and how deep the interior space of this toaster oven is. When you plug it in, you see the lights come on. You see right here it says air fry. It's blinking on and off. As you turn the knob, you have the different functions. This is a toast function, a bake function, a broil function, a roast function, a pizza function, cookies, bagel, reheat, warm, proof, slow cook, dehydrate. Now you spin this dial to get the different functions. And then once you have the proper function, you push this button and it gets everything started for you. This is a typical family-sized bag of chicken strips from a typical market. Kind of more than I bargained for. Spread it out. Beautifully brown, beautifully crisp, and none of the fat and oil that's usually associated with fried chicken. That's delicious. This Toshiba air fryer will give you fantastic meals year after year after year. Toshiba, thank you very much for sending it to me. It was my pleasure to do this video. I hope that you and everybody watching enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and please never forget that I want you to have a good day, a good week, a good year. I want you to have a good life.